Take a deep breath in. Turn off any distractions and allow yourself to fully relax. Taking slow, deep, conscious breaths in through your nose. And as you exhale, gently releasing anything you're holding on to. Let your jaw fully relax. Your shoulders relaxed. On your next inhale, visualize life energy, positive, healing light coming in, filling up your lungs, your heart, every cell in your body with a vibrant, white, healing light. And again, when you exhale, just letting go of anything in the way of true, authentic expression. Inhale, feel your heart space opening. This white light filling your lungs, your heart, every cell with healing, loving, positive energy. And exhale, letting go of any shame, any guilt, any fear, anything that may have kept you quiet. Now bring your attention to your throat and visualize a blue light around your throat. It's swirling around, almost as if it's clearing out any stagnant energy within your throat chakra. Allowing your truth your true expression, unapologetic, to be uncovered. It's a calming feeling, and it's a freeing feeling. When we're connected to our voice, we are limitless. And we allow our voice to be led by our heart. When you inhale, imagine your heart space opening just a little more, filling with love. And this expansion in your heart allows your throat to open a little more, clearing out any stagnant energy. In this space, you see it's safe to speak your truth. It is safe for me to speak my truth. My voice is strong, clear, and loving. I express myself freely and authentically. And now visualize yourself using your voice boldly. Maybe it's speaking up in your job. Maybe it's using your voice to spread good and kindness. Maybe it's standing up for yourself or a cause you believe in. And maybe this voice is creating art or singing or just expressing your needs authentically. But however you are expressing yourself with your voice, picture yourself confident, open, radiant. And see this clearly in your mind's eye, adding the emotion to the expression. And notice how empowering it feels to unapologetically have the courage to express yourself. And you see that you are safe and protected, and you are not rejected. And know that your words create connection. Your words are healing. Your words and your true authentic voice is needed in this world to help others have the courage to do this as well. Feel free to place your hand on your heart. And commit to speaking your truth. Commit to using your voice. Commit to expressing yourself boldly and unapologetically. You speak with love. And you listen. You speak and you listen and you receive. Take another deep, grounding breath in, all the way in. Feeling that clearing in your throat, in your heart. In your mind. And how good it feels. How good it feels to express yourself. Take another deep breath in and maybe let out a big sigh. Just let it all out. Open up that voice. And you can do that again if it feels good. Take a deep breath in and open up your mouth and let out a sound that feels good. Very loud. Let it out. Let your voice be heard. And when you're ready, you can wiggle your fingers and toes. Feeling grounded and supported. And feeling good and proud of yourself for honoring this part of yourself that you carry within. And open your eyes. Your voice is a gift. And the world needs to hear it. Feeling grateful as you come back. Come back to your space around you. Feel free to write down any ideas. Feel free to share any insights.